Look what came in. Lamin-X shipping. You guys will see what this is. So this is it. Fog light covers. And for any JDM, you know you need these. Okay, yeah, so I see what it is. So this is just a tint, and this is just a tint, and it looks like this is just a tint, so it looks like we're just gonna peel this off. So there's all these different options. This is from Lamin-X, a very, very good company. They specialize in the films, so highly suggest this one. Domed lights, apply dry. Start in the center of the light, and then apply with your finger using a spiral motion. So okay, let's get this installed. I got a microfiber cloth. I got the fog light covers, 2, and I got alcohol swabs, 1 per fog light cover. So let's get into this. I'm gonna clean it first with the alcohol prep pad, clean off the dust, and I'm gonna wipe it with this, the microfiber towel, to make sure it's nice and dry as it says in the instructions. And then I'm gonna put this on. Nice and clean. Second one. Alright. Now let's wipe it a little bit. Just make sure that's dry. Next one. Ready? Instructions said to use circular motions. Alright. These are pretty thick. These are not going to go anywhere. The adhesive is very strong. I got full confidence this will last. Wow, that is nice. So I got it on. These tabs are sticking out. I think it's meant for me to cut it, so that's what I'm gonna do after I make sure that it's on there. And that already looks really good. Alright guys, that is it for the yellow fog lights, the Lamin-X fog lights. I love it. I think it really adds to the front end of the car, especially with the fact that this is a JDM Honda Civic Si. So I think looks good for my car. It's really up to you. What do you like for your car? If I had the choice, I would do it all over again. So that's just my take. Highly recommend. Again, it's Lamin-X. It's a very, very thick film. It will not come off, guarantee. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. That is it. Goodbye.